Question 2 of this exercise says, use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number patterns. So in this question, algebraic expressions are given and we have to find the value of 5th, 10th and 100th term. So let's begin with the first expression that is given. So it is 2n minus 1 and we have to find the value of 100th term. So we will take n as 100. So it will become 2 into 100 minus 1, which is same as 200 minus 1, that equals to 199. So we have got the 100th term, that is 199. Now the second expression that is given in the question is 3n plus 2 and we have to find the value of 5th, 10th and 100th term. So let's start with the 5th term. Let's take n equals to 5. So it will become 3 into 5 plus 2. So we have got 15 plus 2, that equals to 17. So the 5th term is 17. Now let's take the value of n as 10. So it will become 3 into 10 plus 2, which is same as 30 plus 2, that equals to 32. So the 10th term is 32. Now let's take the value of n as 100. So it will become 3 into 100 plus 2, that is same as 300 plus 2, which equals to 302. Now let's start the third expression. So that is 4n plus 1 and we have to find the value of 5th, 10th and 100th term. Let's start with the 5th term. So it will become 4 into 5 plus 1, which is same as 20 plus 1, that equals to 21. Now let's take the value of n as 10. So it will become 4 into 10 plus 1, that equals to 40 plus 1, which is same as 41. Now let's take the value of n as 100. So it will become 4 into 100 plus 1, that equals to 400 plus 1, which is same as 401. Now let's move on to the fourth part. The expression that is given is 7n plus 20 and we have to find the value of 5th, 10th and 100th term. So let's start with n equals to 5. So it will become 7 into 5 plus 20, which is same as 35 plus 20, that equals to 55. Now let's take the value of n as 10. So it will become 7 into 10 plus 20, that equals to 70 plus 20, which is same as 90. Now when we take the value of n as 100, it will become 7 into 100 plus 20, that equals to 700 plus 20, which is same as 720. Now the fifth expression that is given is n square plus 1 and we have to find the value for the 5th and 10th term. Let's begin with the 5th term. Let's take the value of n as 5. So it will become 5 square plus 1, that equals to 25 plus 1, which is same as 26. Now let's take the value of n as 10. So it will become 10 square plus 1, which is same as 100 plus 1, that equals to 101. So this is how we will do this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.